Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to sync Trello with Google Calendar in 2025. If you're tired of switching between apps to manage your tasks, this integration is a total lifesaver. It helps you turn your Trello cards into calendar events, keeping everything organized and visible at a glance. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have active accounts for both Trello and Google Calendar. Log into Trello and navigate to the board you want to sync. Click on the menu icon, then go to Power-ups or Integrations. In 2025, Trello has updated its options, so look for Google Calendar directly if available. If not, we'll use a popular tool like Zapier for seamless syncing. Next, head over to Zapier.com and sign up if you haven't already. Once logged in, create a new Zap. For the trigger, select Trello and choose an event like New Card Created or Card Moved to a List. This will pull data from Trello automatically. For the action step, select Google Calendar as your app. Choose Create Event and map the fields. For example, link the Trello card title to the event summary and the due date to the event time. Don't forget to customize details like reminders or locations to make it even more useful. After setting it up, hit the Test button in Zapier to verify everything works. Create a sample card in Trello and check if it appears in your Google Calendar. If there are any issues, double-check permissions or refresh the apps. Pro tip: in 2025, keep an eye on app updates for better features, and consider setting up two-way sync if available. This integration will boost your productivity big time. There you have it, your Trello and Google Calendar are now in sync. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.